Greetings, fellow explorers of the human mind. Today we embark on a fascinating journey into the intersection of neurons and ballots. We'll traverse the scientific terrain of political psychology, dissecting the complex interplay between brain activity and political leanings. Buckle up, because this expedition promises intriguing discoveries and perhaps a few surprises. But before we do, remember to subscribe for more thought-provoking videos. 1. Mapping the mental mosaic. Let's first paint a broad picture. The political spectrum, often depicted as a left-right battlefield, encompasses a kaleidoscope of viewpoints on social, economic, and environmental issues. But does this neatly translate into our neurology? Research suggests intriguing possibilities, albeit with significant caveats. Studies show that 58% of Americans identify as either left or right-leaning. A 2007 study by Jost et al. Found that liberals exhibited increased activity in brain regions associated with openness to experience, while conservatives showed stronger activation in areas linked to fear and disgust. However, remember, these are group trends, not individual guarantees. There's a beautiful symphony of individual variation playing within each political choir. Further studies by Chiao et al. In 2012 hinted at lateralization, suggesting the left hemisphere processes information related to personal identity while the right handles group identity. Could this explain the prioritization of individual rights by some, often associated with liberalism, and group loyalty by others, common among conservatives? 2. Decoding the value compass. What guides the needle of political beliefs? Values emerge as powerful motivators. Studies consistently show that left-wing individuals tend to prioritize equality, compassion, and social justice, while right-wing leanings often align with values like order, tradition, and security. Liberals tend to score higher on openness to experience, while conservatives are associated with stronger fear and disgust responses. But hold on, this isn't a zero-sum game. These categories aren't mutually exclusive battlegrounds. Many individuals possess nuanced value constellations, weaving a tapestry of beliefs that defy simplistic labels. 3. Beyond the binary box. The left-right spectrum, while useful, is ultimately a limited lens. Research suggests that factors like authoritarianism and group identity play crucial roles in shaping political leanings. A 2021 study by Costello et al. Revealed that both left-wing and right-wing authoritarianism share a distaste for opposing views and a preference for strong leadership. This suggests that extremism might have more in common across the spectrum than we think. And don't forget the powerful influence of our social circles and cultural backgrounds. Studies like Mason et al.'s 2018 research show that political networks can significantly influence individual beliefs, creating echo chambers where confirmation bias thrives. In today's digital age, information flows freely, yet we often find ourselves trapped in echo chambers. Environments where algorithms and social connections feed us information that reinforces our existing beliefs, while filtering out opposing viewpoints. This fuels confirmation bias, our tendency to favor information that validates our pre-existing biases, and disregard anything that contradicts them. Caught in this cycle, we can become less tolerant of dissenting opinions, contributing to increased polarization and hindering understanding across the political spectrum. Breaking out of these echo chambers and actively seeking diverse perspectives is crucial for fostering informed and respectful dialogue in a world rife with differing viewpoints. 4. Dismantling myths and misconceptions. Before we move on, let's debunk some common misconceptions. Firstly, associating intelligence with one side of the spectrum is not only factually inaccurate, but also deeply unhelpful. Studies like Hagman et al.'s 2012 research show no significant correlation between political orientation and cognitive abilities. Research has shown that 74% of Americans believe people from the opposite side of the political spectrum are good people with whom they have more in common than they think. Secondly, assuming all members of a political group are uniform in their beliefs is a recipe for misunderstanding. Individuals within any group hold a diverse range of viewpoints, and Painting them with a single brushstroke only hinders meaningful dialogue. 5. Envisioning a bridge, not a battlefield. So where do we stand? Our exploration reveals a complex landscape where brains, values, experiences, and social contexts intertwine to shape political leanings. But rather than getting lost in this maze of differences, let's use this knowledge to build bridges. Let's focus on understanding, empathy, and respectful dialogue. By fostering respectful dialogue, appreciating the nuances within each political group, and acknowledging the role of scientific research in informing our understanding, we can navigate the complexities of our political landscape.